Hello, I hope you're all doing good. Keep safe. COVID is still out there. Be careful. Now I have here is a coin that I bought online. Just don't know what it is because I had bought a few recently, and we're gonna open it. We're gonna unbox this coin. Let's see. This nicely wrapped. The one I bought it to is a coin dealer, local coin dealer here, and they have auctions online times. So see what this, and I bought like I don't know a few, 3 or 4 coins. So see what's this one. I must recommend him. It's nicely, safely wrapped. Well, there you go. It's very well hidden. Here we go. What is this one? Nicely wrapped. Very good. Oh, so it's 10 centimes, 1865. I think it's the Luxembourg. Yeah, the one I bought from Luxembourg. Nice coin. 1865. It's a nice patina too. It's as big as the United Kingdom old penny, and it says Grand Duc de Luxembourg with the rampant lion on the middle. I think it's made of bronze. Nice looking coin. It's I bought this for $5, but yeah, in doing a research, I see it's like double the price. They're selling it on eBay, and they just made, I think, if I'm right, it's around just 1 million of these, and it's 1865. It's an old coin, so probably not much of this one, especially in this condition. The one they're selling in eBay for $12 is more worn than this one, so I think it's a win. I think for the price I pay $5, very cheap. Right, thank you. Hope you guys have a good day. See you next time. Thank you.